You ready to go? Hi guys. So I don't know if you remember this job. This was one of my chimney pieces. If you want to have a look, here it is here. I have managed to get it finished finally. We've had to replace a lot of tiles. If you see the different tiles that we have here, these are all tiles that needed replaced. All of them are now done. And as you can see, we've rebedded the actual ridge. Do you see the ridge over there? This is it finished. That's it fully done. There is my lead tray coming out with the drips. This is of course the chimney piece, the stack that I've done. I'm quite proud of this. You know, I'm quite proud of this job that we did. It stopped, we've secured and cleaned up the roof. This used to all be scaffolded. It was a hard job. How much did I get paid for it? The total cost of repairing that was, I charged the customer 4,000 quid for the roof repair, tiles and the other bits and pieces. Plus the VAT, of course. What have we left to do? Okay, so as you can see, looking on down here, as we're looking down the property, there's the weed still growing, even though I've sprayed it several times. It's gonna be a bugger to get rid of. The actual, if you can see here, this is still full of muck. This all needs cleaned out and a brand new drainage system put in. I'm gonna have to have that all nicely tidied up and a brand new drainage system put in. It's gonna have to go across to the two properties, just replace the whole heap. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt you, but over 6% of you are only subscribed to my channel, whilst you're enjoying my beautiful looks and my stunning charisma. I would ask that if you could, please like and subscribe, and remember, share any of the stuff that I do, share it, because it's really cool. Thanks for watching, ciao. But overall, it's been a great job. I may need to get some more tile spaces made, but overall, I think it's been a great job. Great work. I'm very proud of that. Now, as you can see, around the chimney stack, more or less brand new tiles all the way around. That was because when we took away the concrete away from the old chimney stack, it turned out that it needed new tiles. So there it is there, it's fully done. And all the ridges are all wet bedded and they're bedded up. To me, it's a great job. I'm very, very happy with it. That was done by me. Electrician. We can't go up there anymore, so you can't see the castle from over there. No, can you see the cops over there? Yeah, so, but that's it. We are ready to rock on the down. I'm intending to go down now and start doing the front by getting the front all waterproofed, get it scraped back, ready for painting. Now, I'm not sure I'll be doing the painting for the customer, but it's up to the customer whether we do that or not. There you go. There's some nosy buggers in there. Why are they filming that? And there it is. Tell me what you guys think. You know, like and subscribe, and I welcome your comments. And if it's negative, you're just gonna get negative back. If you're positive and you've got an answer, you've got a reason, or you think there's something I'm missing, please do so. I miss being up there. I spend a lot of time up there. You do too, Ryan. It's crazy actually the work that's involved sometimes with construction pieces. It would have been easier to build the roof from start than what we had to do, because we had to build on top of this and build our scaffold on top. And it feels like a distant memory, but a good memory. We've had a lot of good times on it. So that's probably going to be the end of that roof work, isn't it? Yeah. The last job. So there we are. It's mostly cleaned off. All the moss is taken off mostly. I've got to get more moss taken off before I go, I think. So I'll get the roof ladders up and I'll just take that moss off, because I think that's a very dangerous thing. It's not good for roofs. So there it is. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your viewership. You know, please like, subscribe, and tell you what, share a few of my videos. Some of them are pretty good crack. Big Al is quite a funny guy, isn't he? I'm a mushroom. Did you know I'm a mushroom, people? What's a mushroom? I'm a fun guy. Anyway, right, that's me. Thank you. Now I'm going to go and do some work and fall off the friggin' scaffold for the last time. Oh, content of me falling off. Ah! This wasn't, I didn't put this up now, so I've no idea what this is about. I assume it was our John ordered that. I've no idea why. Maybe because he had to, oh, I know why, because he had to replace them tiles for me. Makes sense now.